This is our campsite, right? And ta-da! There is the park. And the playground. Baby, you better hurry, baby, so we can go. Say hi. Say hi. Go your bed. Where are you going? Huh? We don't hear anything. Why?
I don't think it read it.
어떡해. Something wrong?
I didn't see the sun passing.
어떡해. Yeah, make right. You will see a KOA sign. This one. Wow. Isn't it not too tight?
What is
Registration. That's what I'm thinking. Keep,
right over there?
keep going. You cannot stop here. The people behind us.
It's a nice KOA.
Oh my goodness, it is. Stop sign there, maybe make right. Office, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like it.
We need to figure out where to make the U-turn.
Oh shit. Oh.
So we'll make it right. So we can go that way.
It is.
That's the office?
Yeah. We are here, safely arrived at Orlando, Kissimmee KOA. Ta-da! My husband, he likes it. He said, oh, this is so nice KOA. So our spot was, what was the number? Oh, 109. 109. This is Darby. My car, oh, is it gonna be rain again?
Yeah.
Ugly, Ashley. So, so hot. Now not too hot. But when we just got here, what time was, and then we're done setting everything. Now 7 o'clock 49, and there is a playground. Okay.
There's swimming pool over there.
Yeah, swimming pool. Yeah, over because the KOA office. Yep. We are here, Florida. Tomorrow we're gonna hang out here, camping ground. Saturday we are going to Disney. Where are we going? Disney World. First day, Animal Kingdom. What you say? Such a ugly face.
And my,
I don't know what happened to my squirrel, so I'm charging again.
my
After
cousins
charging, I'm
are
gonna
coming
ride.
tomorrow.
Actually, it's a squirrel.
And my cousins are coming tomorrow.
I like it. No, not yeah. Tomorrow coming, but we cannot see them. They're gonna arrive evening. This is camping site is so pretty. Seriously, the front. You can go playground, but Daddy say let's go Walmart first. This is so. I love it. They're huge. Sometimes there's some places here, you and the next person is close right there, and bam, pretty close. No space at all. But this is a huge space, and the table so cute. I love it. How do you like it? Oh, my favorite color yellow. I want you to give it to me yellow.
And I want
Oh, that it looks like the same hours, but theirs is more longer than that. Yeah. So we are
that
here.
thing. What is that thing on the table?
I don't know. We are going to dog park, and guess what? This is our campsite, right? And ta-da! There is a dog park and the playground. Come here. Let's go. I love it. Everything is in front of us. Hot. Orlando, Florida. Now 86 what 86? 86 degrees. So hot. Already hot. Come here, baby. And go. Make a poo-poo, baby. Poo. Let's go. Poo-poo. I bought Boo Boo's mask so he cannot barking at the other people or dog. And then seriously, the mask make him very calm. He's not crazy or aggressive. I like it. I got from Walmart only $10. I forgot, $12, $10.99, something like that. Not too expensive. Poo-poo, baby, poo-poo. Baby, you better hurry, baby, so we can go. Poo-poo. Poo, baby, poo. Poo-poo going to make a poo-poo. Poo-poo. Baby, no, go over there, not here. So you can walk around there everything. This is a nice dog park. What? Oh my God, you both? Poo can take bus there. Poo baby poo. You,
Thank you for watching.
please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.